So if I wanted to make thousands this year selling products, this is what I wouldn't sell, okay? I wouldn't do TikTok shop, I wouldn't do e-commerce, I wouldn't do drop shipping, I wouldn't do anything like that, because unfortunately, all of these types of businesses are selling physical products, okay? Now, a lot of people think that selling physical products is the best way to go, but for me, I found out that selling physical stuff is actually the worst way to make money on the internet, because physical stuff has a manufacturing cost. A lot of people don't realize that, right? So think about it. When you sell, like for example, for lack of a better example, like you manufacture a t-shirt, right? Every time you manufacture a t-shirt, there is a manufacturing cost to manufacture this. This might cost a few dollars, let's just say $4 or $5, okay? So then you sell it for $10, which means that your revenue or your profit is actually only $5, right? So it's limited. And then the problem with selling physical stuff is I can't charge someone $1,000 for this t-shirt unless it's like branded, right? People aren't gonna pay $1,000, right? So there's a limit to how much money you can make with physical stuff, which means that it becomes a volume game. So if you want to make 10,000 or 30,000 or 40,000 US dollars a month in profit, you have to sell thousands of t-shirts every single month, which is very difficult for an individual marketer, okay? And I've tried this before, right? Now, if you become an affiliate, that means you sell somebody else's products, right? Physical stuff. TikTok shop, commission rates are only 10%. Think about that. That's so low, right? And when you become a TikTok shop affiliate, even though, you can, don't get me wrong, you can make money becoming a TikTok shop affiliate, but it's hard to get to like 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month in profit because the commissions are only 10%. Amazon is even worse. The Amazon commission rate is 3%, 3 to 5%. How can you make 20,000 US dollars a month in profit by selling, a $20 product at 3% commissions? It's almost impossible. It's very, very difficult to do that, right? So I decided to sell digital stuff. Okay, digital products. That means it's already created, it's some course or it's a piece of software. Anything that you can download from the internet is considered a digital product, right? Now, because it's digital, you don't have to manufacture it in a factory. You shoot it, you record it once, you code it one time, and every unit after the first unit, the profit margins are sky high, super duper high, right? So that's why when you sell someone's course, like a meditation course or a running course or a trading course or a business course, right? The profit margins are super duper high. If you sell somebody else's course or software online, the commissions are usually 40 to 70% commissions. Now we're talking, right? And that's why, because of the high commission rates, I decided instead of focusing on physical stuff, I focused on digital stuff, and that's how I started to generate millions of dollars. Okay, I've made millions of dollars selling digital products online. Now, obviously that takes time, it takes effort, but because the profit margins are so much higher, it's much, much easier to hit $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $40,000 a month by selling digital stuff, not physical stuff. Okay, so this year, if I had to do it all over again, the only product that I would sell online is digital stuff. So make sure you focus on selling digital courses, digital tools, digital software. Don't waste your time with physical stuff because the profit margins are super low, all right? Don't get me wrong. You can still make money selling, t-shirts and, gel and the glasses and, fidget spinners and all that stuff. You can, but to get to the high profit margins, very, very difficult, all right? Digital is the way to go. So let me know if you got some value. Comment digital if this made sense in this video today. And if you're not following me on this channel, every single day I teach you how to become more profitable using the power of the internet and technology, and you can follow me right here.